Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to see some basic examples related to options what we have covered in our before tutorials. So for that, let me enter into here, start, part design, let's say OK. Now let's go with this part. So here we are having a simple part. So here we are able to create this in two ways. One is single circle we need to draw. This much we need to make pad. Again one circle, again pad, again one circle, again one pad. So in this way if we go, it takes more time. So instead of that, directly we will create this half section and directly we can make it here shaft. Means we will add material with rotation by creating half section. Now for example, let me go here with sketch on this front plane. Now I'll start from this base. Just I'll go with profile. I'll start from here. One horizontal line. Then this we call it as chamfer. So directly we need to apply these fillets and chamfers by using fillet and chamfer. We should not provide these edges in Sketcher. Now let me consider this one horizontal and vertical line. Let me draw like this. Then just I'll create this step. Then little more to that, again I'll create one more step like this. Again one more little we want one vertical line, then it should be up to here. Let me close this like this. Then by using constraint we have created only this half profile, so we need to create only half dimensions. As you can see, for this first one we are having here same dimension for this line, again this line, again for this we are having dimension of here 32. Now let me make relation between this line to this line. It should be straight. We'll make it here coincidence. Again this line, it should be straight with this. As you can see, this one extra we are having. Let me make it like this. Dimension from this to this we are having total diameter of 32. So we need to give here 32 by 2 as we have created only half profile. Then next to that, this next we are having diameter of 36. So for this we need to give 36 by 2. Again for next we are having 44. Dimension from this to this we need 44 by 2. Then again for this end profile also same dimension what we have given here 36, it should be same. So instead of giving again, just I'll make relation between this line to this line. Mouse right click will make it coincidence. It will come straight to that. So all horizontal dimensions we have given. Then vertical dimension, I'll start from this top. This length we need here 12. So this we wanted here 12. Next small gap we are having here 4. So this gap we need here 4. Next we are having here 8. So let me give all these dimensions. Then next small gap we are having 3. Last we are having here 12. So let me give that 12 also. So if you want, just you can adjust all the dimensions properly like this by dragging this. So this 18 I'll keep it here. This I'll keep it here. Then bigger dimension I'll keep it on the end like this. Now if we check, our sketch is ISO constraint, and if I go on here sketch analysis, and if I go with geometry, we have created one closed single profile exit workbench. With this shape we need to add material with rotation, so directly we can go here with shaft option. Click on shaft. Then total rotation we need with 360 degrees, and with reference to which axis we want, we need to add material with rotation with reference to this central vertical axis. Let me click on Z axis like this. Once if I go for preview and if I say OK, one solid will be created. Then after creating solid, we are having here chamfer of 2 mm. So let me go here with chamfer. So these options in detail we are going to explain in future tutorials. Chamfer for this edge and this edge with a length of 2 mm. Let's say OK. Then after creating here addition of material, then all dress up features, at the end we are having one hole with a diameter of 24. So let me go here with hole. Here a small trick you can use. Whenever you want to create a hole exactly center point of a circular profile, directly if you click on surface, again later we need to go for position sketch. As you can see, point is under constraint. Again we need to apply relation and we need to make it coincidence or concentric. So instead of that, whenever you want to create a hole exactly center point of the circular shape, directly go on hole. Instead of selecting direct surface, first we will select the curvature for which curve we want center point. Then we will click on the surface from where you want to create hole. Diameter we need here 24, depth up to next. If I go for position sketch, already here concentric relation is applied. If I click on this, we are having here iso constraint shape. So like this you can use, and let's say okay, like so this simple part we can create by using this shaft and one pole. That's it.